Okay, do brief Bitcoin update. RSI has green on green, and or blue on blue, I mean. And so we're mid-channel on the 30-minute. I expect some consistent upside today. Nothing too spectacular necessarily. Since we're at the top of the RSI band, that being said, the trend is up. I'd say generally for about 6 hours, give or take on the 30-minute chart. Same being said on the 15, so for roughly the next 6 hours, I expect a little bit of downside. That being said, it is more blue at this point, so we could bounce, we could slowly trend down a little bit, and pop back up. 5 minutes shows a little clearer picture of what the short term is going to be probably for the next hour or so. Continuing down to the 64,600 level before the oscillator resets. So that's the general overview of the market here. Larger time frames, we look to be bullish on the 4 hour, and so I expect the trend up to continue for the next couple of days. Bullish on the 1 hour, 3 hours bullish, 2 hours bullish. So definitely looking good here. Let's do some more macro level analysis. Coming from the daily chart, we do have a bearish cross on MACD, and so having this fill in to some extent and then curl back up would be the hope. And it's a mixed signal. So you don't have a huge amount of momentum up high, so this is not likely to be a large dip in consolidation, though I do expect daily uptrend, longer term, a little bit bearish before potential rip higher. And it really depends on the weekly chart, what we're doing here. Again, a little bit longer consolidation I would anticipate. And then have these recross, similar to here, for the November pump. Macro stages would say preliminarily end of the market in November. So we expect rate cuts in September, and traditionally markets top out within 2 months of those rate cuts. So definitely time to pay attention. Exciting times for potential parabolic upside. That being said, all things are possible. This actually does look good because having this raise to previous highs here, we're in the indecision, which were the final blow off top. Ultimately anticipate around 150 to 250 for Bitcoin, and the rest of the market will follow through with it. And that is the long and short-term perspective of Bitcoin, as well as the rest of the market.